Well friends, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about the sensor you are seeing here. I know most of you know about this. So friends, today we are going to talk about the ones that are found in Actros MP2 and Actros MP3. So without wasting no time, let's start. We will start with pin number 2 of this sensor. Pin 2 of this sensor, that the one that goes to pin 2, it is gray strip brown. From the HM module, we locate this in the HM module at socket number 3, pin number 12. The next one is pin number 3, the one that goes to pin number 3, its color is gray plain. You will find this wire in the HM module at socket number 3, pin number 10. Then the next one is pin number 4, its color is gray strip blue. You will find this wire in the HM module. It comes from the HM module to the sensor at socket number 3, pin number 11. Then the next one is pin number 5. Pin number 5, the one that goes to this pin, its color is purple and yellow, purple strip yellow. You will find this wire that goes to pin number 5 in the HM module, socket number 3, pin number 15. Then the next one is pin number 6, its color is gray strip green. You will find this wire in the HM module at socket number 3, pin number 13. Then the last one is pin number 7, its color is gray strip purple. This wire comes from the HM module at socket number 3, pin number 14. Inside this sensor there are two circuits. There is circuit 1 for sensor 1 and circuit 2 for sensor 2 inside this sensor. When you want to test the voltage supply to circuit 1 in the sensor, for this sensor you put your probe at socket at pin 2 and pin 4. You will get a voltage of 4.9 volts to 5 volts. Then for circuit 2 you put your multimeter probe at pin 5 and pin 7 in your socket. Remember, in your socket, not in this sensor, but in your socket that connects to this sensor. You put your probe at pin 5 and pin 7. You will always get a voltage between 4.9 volts to 5 volts. And that's all for today's lessons, friends. So friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, add a comment, and also friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon, so whenever I post new videos you will always be updated. And so friends, that's all for today. Thank you, and may God bless you.